it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to fix you cannot place another call if you're already on a call on WhatsApp. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to make a call on WhatsApp and it just tells you that you cannot make another call, even though you're not making any call on WhatsApp, so you're just making one call. Here to fix this problem, we're gonna open up our settings. So we need to clear WhatsApp cache. Now scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. After that, tap on the second option, manage apps. This interface will appear. Now scroll all the way down and look for WhatsApp. Now tap on it and then tap on clear data, then clear cache and confirm. So this is gonna delete if there is any bugs in the app and fix any issues. And now your problem should be solved. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.